Respectable audience, 22 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. 2 and 2 are cancelled, so we will get 22 divided by 2 and 2 are cancelled, so divided by 1. Now 22 divided by 1, it is 22, which is our answer. But remember that it is not correct, so we have to solve this question again by obeying rules, because rule is move from left to right, and as division is at left, so divide will be performed first. So we will get 22 as it is. Divide is converted into multiplication. 1 by 2 is flipped, so we will get 2 times 2. So 22 times 2 will be equal to 44 times 2, it will be equal to 88, which is our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.